a lot has happened since my last video. I mentioned in my favorites video that we're going to possibly be going on lots of trips with my fingers crossed, and now I'm gonna uncross them because it doesn't matter. We were supposed to leave tomorrow on a big trip for about 2 weeks, so we're going somewhere on work, and then we're gonna have this massive holiday, but our passports are stuck at the embassy and the whole thing has been called off. So I'm really bummed about it, and I just feel like if I sit idle, I'm going to go mad today, because today was the day I was supposed to be packing and doing all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to be productive and I am going to vlog. So I'm gonna start with, I have a busy day at Bandra. I've lined up a few things that I have to do. Before that, I'm gonna show you guys this, which is the Kareena Kapoor Khan collection by Laxmi. So a lot of you have been asking me about these products. They sent me some of them. I haven't tried any of them yet. Okay, so there are lots of products staring at me, and I know I'm not going to use a lot of them, so I'm gonna do a giveaway as well, so you can get some of these products. So first up, we have the eye pencils, which are like this. These are priced at 900 rupees each. So yeah, this range is quite expensive. That's what a lot of you commented when I posted it on Instagram, saying it's really expensive, it's really expensive. And I agree with you. For me, Laxmi is like my homegrown brand, and it's kind of like the first thing I think we all used when we were growing up, and it used to be a lot cheaper. So yeah, I would say 900 rupees for an eye pencil seems pricey to me as well. But yeah, there's 3 of these. I'm not going to open these. We'll give these 3 to 3 lucky ladies, so check the description. What I've been really curious about are these. This is these 3 again are like contour sticks, I think. This one has a bit of shimmer in it. These 2 are just like plain color. So yeah, I'm gonna give away 3 of these as well. These are priced at 1300 rupees each, so win these. Now this is what I've really wanted to try, which is Pink Lady, which is kind of like the blush version of the same stick. It looks really cool, and the color is really potent. Check that out. I'm just gonna put on a little bit to see how potent it is. So what I like is it goes on really easily. You can build. It's nice, bright, poppy and pinky. See, like the set is more than this, but like I kind of like the feel of it for sure, and it just blends really easily. Like I'm just using my finger and it's blending really easily. This is again priced at 1300 rupees, but I'm quite liking this formulation. So this is the lip pencil, which is really weird because it has like this brush type thing here, which I don't know why you would have a brush on a lip pencil. I mean, you can actually use it like a lip color, and I feel like that's what the brush is for. I mean, it is cool, but it's not very hydrating. Like my lips feel very dry, and I would need like balm over this. So I'm not really convinced about this one. Like I don't know if I would like go out and buy a lot of these. There are 2 more of these. I'm not gonna open them. I will give these to you as well, so enjoy. I have 3 shades in the lipsticks. So the lipsticks have really cool packaging. They're kind of large, like a chubby stick, and these are also priced at 1200 rupees a lipstick. I like the formulation. It's kind of hydrating. Feels good. But the colors, I feel, are like the shades from the earlier collections. Like I don't see any of these 3 shades as like, oh my god, something that I haven't seen before. So that's slightly disappointing. I feel like this shade is too dark for me. Like look at this brown, look at this one. So I'm gonna add it to the giveaway pile because I don't think I'm gonna be using this one, and I've used it for all of 5 seconds, so someone's gonna get this. Yeah, but I like that it has the brush and it's easy to use. Maybe the lighter shade is more my shade. And last but not the least, we have the mascara. Again, a nice thick wand and really nice big packaging. I must say all the products look really cool. I'm not going to use the mascara. I have about 10 unused mascaras still, and if I put this under my lashes, I can't give it to anyone. So don't ever share mascara, by the way, if anyone is wondering why, because you get like really bad eye infections. Don't ever share mascara with anyone. So I'm gonna add this to the giveaway pile so one of you can get it. So these are all the products in the giveaway, quite a lot of them. Check the description. I will come up with something fun for you guys to do, and lots of people are gonna win stuff. Yay! Okay, so from what I tried, I really liked the cheek thingamajig and I liked the formulation of the lipstick. But yeah, the whole range is quite pricey, and I know a lot of you are going to say that it's expensive. It is expensive. But I guess these are not your regular Lakme products. They're trying to like up their game with these and make them really cool. Formulations are different. And yeah, I think they're pretty cool. Let's move on with the day. After lunch, it's time for some shopping. I've been dying to come here. So I've made it to my favorite spot in Bandra, Hill Road. Most of Hill Road is pretty much closed except for this lane, which is the Sagar lane. It's right opposite Elfo Arcade. Shops here that I've been coming to since I was a child. Like there's this really cute little jewelry store that I go to all the time, which I will take you to. From Hill Road, just an orange bracelet to add to my stack, and now we're heading to the dentist for my regular cleaning. So meet the coolest dentist ever. She is responsible for my super white teeth. Hi! So I am done and my teeth look really white. I know I did whiten them today. I just did a regular cleaning and polishing. My whitening was done about 6 months ago. I did this thing called Zoom whitening, which really lasts for long. And people are looking at me strangely now. But yeah, I will vlog that next time I do it if any of you guys are interested. I'm gonna grab a quick cup of coffee, take my mom to the doctor, and then head to an event. Okay, we're all done. Dentist, check. Coffee, check. Mommy to the doctor, check. And I have been walking all over Bandra. I feel like I've just been walking so much. I'm about to close my rings on my watch. That's how much I've been walking today. And I just feel like I haven't been around Bandra in a while. And today's been a full-on Bandra day, and I just love walking when I'm here. So yeah, I enjoy taking it all in. Okay, so my walking has gotten me into trouble. I saw a sale at Aldo as I was passing it, and I have left with a pair of shoes. They had this ridiculous sudden sale, 50% off on like the new stuff, and I bought these beautiful stilettos. I've been wanting a pair of black heels for a while and randomly found one at 50% off, so guilty.
Well folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Ooh, that is greedy Aisha. Like he doesn't. Oh, you did it. Oh, I will be here the whole night and I will not get that. new shoe, the Falcon, and we all got to like DIY and pass along the shoe. So like 6 people actually created one shoe, which was really cool, and we had a lot of fun doing it. And that's it from me. I am heading home. It's been a long day, super tired. If you haven't watched my last video, check it out here and comment below with your favorite part from today, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.